Glucosamine sulfate is arguably one of the better-known joint care supplements, with ample evidence from high-quality clinical trials to support the use of this naturally derived sulfur compound in maintaining and restoring joint health. Glucosamine sulfate is a compound made up of glucose, sulfur, and the amino acid glutamine. The sulfur component of glucosamine sulfate plays a critical role in the supplement's ability to halt and even reverse osteoarthritis, as it supports the synthesis of glucosaminoglycans, like chondroitin, and also enhances joint lubrication by stimulating activity in the cells that produce synovial fluid. Glucosamine stimulates the activity of chondrocytes, the cells that form new cartilage, to help strengthen and repair the joints. And the sulfate component of this natural health product also improves the ability of the joint to absorb shocks by binding water inside the cartilage. Better hydrated and lubricated cartilage is less liable to tear, and better overall joint lubrication can increase mobility and reduce pain, all benefits that have been seen with the use of glucosamine sulfate. A non-sulfate form glucosamine hydrochloride is available, but current clinical evidence does not support its use in treating osteoarthritis. Glucosamine sulfate is derived from shellfish and, as such, is not suitable for those with a shellfish allergy or for vegetarians or vegans. It is also cautioned in those who are pregnant or breastfeeding and is intended for adult use only. One 500 mg capsule 3 times a day is recommended for joint support, but as always, anyone considering use of this supplement needs to first check with their healthcare practitioner, especially if they are on any blood-thinning medications, as it may interact with warfarin. Glucosamine sulfate is often found alongside chondroitin sulfate for added joint support. Like glucosamine, chondroitin is a naturally occurring substance found in cartilage, made up of glucosaminoglycans. In addition to inhibiting inflammation, chondroitin plays 3 roles in maintaining cartilage health. Firstly, chondroitin attracts water to the cartilage, which draws in nutrients and prevents cartilage becoming dehydrated and brittle. This reduces the risk of torn cartilage, pain, and further joint degradation. Secondly, chondroitin sulfate supplies the building blocks of connective tissue in the joints. And thirdly, it inhibits the formation of enzymes that break down joint tissue. Chondroitin also removes or prevents the formation of fibrin, thrombi, and plaque in synovium and/or subchondral blood vessels, helping to maintain range of motion and reducing the development of scar tissue and blood clots. As such, chondroitin sulfate supports the cartilage matrix, provides resistance to compression, and contributes to the tensile strength of cartilage, tendons, and ligaments, or their strength under strain. This natural joint care supplement, combined with glucosamine sulfate, provides an immediate supply of nutrients for the joints and exerts an anti-inflammatory effect. A dose of 400 to 500 milligrams of chondroitin 3 times a day is recommended, with the full effect usually felt after 8 to 12 weeks. It is possible for chondroitin to cause gastrointestinal upset, with nausea and/or pain, especially when taken on an empty stomach. The safety of chondroitin sulfate has not been established for children or for those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. This supplement should only be used in such circumstances under the direction of a healthcare practitioner.